convincing portrayal of a boy who refuses to be silent, about his abuse. The award for best performance by an actor in a lead role goes to Enzo.
Yes, things good.
Nahihiya po ako, sorry. Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Lord. Nagpapasalamat ako sa pamilya ko na sumuport